All right, this is a 22 Indian Chief. It has the stage 2 cams. It's got the air cleaner from Indian. Have the Lloyd's tune on it. And the exhaust is a stock exhaust. I've taken out the baffles, just like you've seen on other videos. And then I took out the cats myself. So you can kind of see in there, it's kind of hard to see, but just removed it, cut it out, and then welded it back together. Just want to give you an idea of what it sounds like. Should probably put it in neutral, huh? Alright, when I bought mine, they didn't have the black covers, so I tried painting them with that high temperature black paint, and you can see it's not working. I sanded them down and prepped everything right, and it looks okay, but it's starting to flake off. So anyway, I have an upgrade coming up, so I wanted to make this video so I could compare the sound for y'all. Alright, see you next time.